Integrated Korean. Beginning 1. Vowels. Hangul has 6 simple letters and 2 compound letters to represent 8 simple vowel sounds. All vowel letters are composed of one or more of 3 kinds of strokes: a long vertical stroke, a long horizontal stroke, and a short horizontal or vertical stroke. The short stroke was originally a round dot. The short stroke is placed horizontally on a long vertical vowel stroke, as in a and all, and vertically on a long horizontal stroke, as in o and u. The 3 basic strokes were modeled after the cosmological philosophy of heaven, earth, and human being. The qualities of Korean vowels are not the same as those of English vowels. A sounds like the A sound in father and yarn, a little bit shorter than them. O sounds like the O sounds in awake and young, with the root of the tongue pulled back. O sounds like the O sounds in own, without the W color. U sounds like the U sounds in boo and you, a little shorter than them. U sounds like the U sounds in houses and put, but without lip rounding. E sounds like the E sound in see, a little bit shorter. E sounds like the E sound in care, and E sounds like the E in met and yes. Repeat each vowel sound after you hear it. A, O, O, U, E, E, E. The vowels e and e are very similar. Although they can be distinguished by careful pronunciation, both of these vowels are pronounced indistinguishably by many speakers. However, the difference is maintained in writing, as in ke and ke. The vowel sounds with a short stroke on the right or above a long stroke are called bright vowels, whereas the vowels with a short stroke on the left or below a long stroke are called dark vowels, because the bright vowel sounds are perceived as brighter or more sonorous to native speakers than the dark vowels. The vowel represented by u and e are neutral vowels. A bright vowel and a dark vowel are not combined in a single syllable block in making a diphthong. The basic rules for stroke order in writing Hangul are first left to right and second top to bottom. For a, write the long vertical stroke first, then add the short stroke. For o, make the short stroke first since it's on the left. For o, the short stroke comes first since it's on top, and for u, the long stroke come first.